Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify gift cards balance import, full guide step by step clearly. To update the Shopify gift cards balance import, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the products section in the left sidebar. Select the gift cards tab to view all existing gift cards. Locate the gift card you want to update by using the search bar if necessary. Click on the gift card to open its details page. Take note of the current balance and any other relevant information. To import a new balance, prepare a CSV file with the gift card codes and their new balances. Ensure your CSV file follows the correct format, which includes the gift card code and the updated balance. In the Shopify admin, go back to the gift cards section. Look for the Import button, usually located at the top right of the page. Click on the Import button to initiate the import process. Upload the prepared CSV file by selecting it from your device. Once the file is uploaded, review the preview to confirm everything appears correct. If everything looks good, click on the Import button to proceed. Wait for the confirmation message indicating the import was successful. Double-check a few gift cards to ensure their new balances have been updated correctly. If any errors are present, download the error report for troubleshooting. Make the necessary corrections to the CSV file for any failed records. Repeat the import process for any corrected entries as needed. After completing all updates, log out of the Shopify admin panel. Your gift card balances should now be accurately reflected in your store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.